Look at this huge pile of laundry.
That is a lot. You washed clothes yesterday.
I like everything clean and fresh.
I know. Our house is always spotless.
Can you start the wash? I will fold these.
Sure, but this washer is new.
It is easy. Just add clothes and soap.
Which button do I press?
The big one. The soap goes in there.
Okay, and how much soap?
The label says a little, but make it really clean.
Really clean. Got it.
These are my favorite white towels. Be gentle.
I will take good care of them.
Great. I will fold over here.
Starting the wash now.
She wants it really clean. More soap is better. 1 cup? 2 cups? That looks about right. Okay, press the big button. It is washing. Nice and easy.
Tom, how is it going over there?
Great. I made it extra clean for you.
Extra clean? How much soap did you use?
Just 2 cups, maybe 3.
3 cups? It is a new machine.
New machines like more soap, right?
No, this kind only needs a little.
Oh, the label did say a little.
Look at the window. What is that?
Bubbles. A lot of bubbles.
They are pushing on the door.
Maybe they will stop soon.
They are not stopping.
The foam is coming out the bottom.
It is on my clean floor.
It is growing so fast.
Turn it off, Tom.
I am pressing buttons. Nothing works.
There is foam on the white towels.
There is foam on everything.
It is up to my knees.
Mine too. So many bubbles.
My clean laundry room.
I am sorry, I used way too much soap.
Find the plug. Pull it out.
Okay, got it. The machine stopped.
But the foam is still everywhere.
A whole room full of bubbles.
Did you break the machine?
I do not think so. Let me read the label.
Read it again, out loud this time.
He washer use a small amount of soap.
A small amount, not 3 cups.
So the machine is okay?
The machine is fine. The soap was the problem.
That is good news at least.
Good news in a sea of bubbles.
So we do not need a repair person?
No, we just need towels. A lot of towels.
And maybe a mop.
Let's clean this up together.
Together. It is my mess, but thank you.
Push the foam toward the door.
It is so light and fluffy.
Do not play with it. We are cleaning.
Look, I have a foam beard.
Tom! Okay, that is a little funny.
And now you have a foam hat.
Hey, I did not agree to a foam hat.
We are bubble people now.
Whoa, the floor is slippery.
I have got you. Hold my arm.
Thanks. We are both covered in foam.
But it smells really nice.
It does smell clean and fresh.
Your favorite, clean and fresh.
2 fragrant bubble people.
Cleaning up together is kind of fun.
The room is finally clean again.
And it smells great thanks to the foam.
So, what did you learn?
A little soap for the new washer.
Just a little.
And read the label first.
I am sorry too. I said really clean.
We made the bubbles together.
And we cleaned them up together.
Next time you wash and I will fold.
Deal. Less soap, more towels.
Now everything is clean and fresh.
Just the way I like it.